Good morning, me buddies. This video is my buddies' morning routine. They're really hungry because it's past breakfast time, and instead of feeding them, I'm taking this video. So, what I like to do is I like to start by removing their food and water feeders. Let's start with this bowl. Yes, Lemony. It's breakfast time. Little tough to remove, but you'll get it out. I'm sorry, but this has to go. Love to eat your breakfast. Don't peck my hand. There we go. The cage is empty except for the perch. I remove everything else, and the toys also remain. And now I turn over the cage the side their food and water is kept. And this is the side, big doors. I can keep it clipped down because I'm scared that Lemony, the most active one, may accidentally open it and fly out, and I keep them outside the whole day. So yeah, I always keep it clipped down. So now I am going to open it. Alright, and I'm going to take their breakfast. These beans here. Keep it on top of their cage where they like to eat it. The bigger beans I'm going to smash down to smaller size because, well, popped. Because, well, they can't break it themselves. They're small birds. So it'll be easier for them to eat. Yes, Lemony, that's your breakfast. Alright. So now I take them out. Sometimes they cooperate, sometimes they don't. Now they'll eat their breakfast, and well, that'll take a while, so I'm just gonna skip to the cage cleaning. Okay, so now that the birdies have gone to play, I can clean their cage. So all I have to do is remove the newspaper and replace it with a new one, which I keep pre-torn. They're the newspaper pages. There are safety pins at the side of my cage that I remove. I keep safety pins to keep it down. I make sure they are not rusted. If they are rusted, I will replace them. In case you're wondering what this is a chew toy. They love chewing cardboard, and so you'll see a lot of cardboard chew toys in their cage. Right now I didn't have the time to make one, so yeah. Okay, so since the cage door is small, I have to fold the newspaper to remove it. Now you know what newspaper I read. Not the neatest folding, I know, but you know, for the video. Okay, so I have my dustbin right here. Just have to. My dustbin is full. Okay, so then I take a new newspaper. Yes, my room is a mess. and I put it to the top of the cage. Open out the newspaper. I measure it by the cage bars. What's this? A leopard got electrocuted because he jumped into some electric wires. Yay, humanity. We gotta get, so for this step I measure it to the other side and I fold it over because it's too big, so I have to fold it and put it in. You can also chop it off if you want. It's extra work, but whatever you want. I then roll it up and cut off an inch or two out of the side that goes inside the cage. So yeah, that is again to make it fit. Now I'll put it inside and it fits perfectly fine. Roll it out. There we go. And I put the safety pins back. And I put the food and water back. And then I'll put them in. Gonna skip to that part. Okay. So now I put them in. They are tamed birds. I train them also. So, as I told you, sometimes they cooperate, sometimes they don't. There we go. Come, Raindrop. Good boy. Oh, no fighting. And that's it. And then I put them out. So, thank you for watching.